Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so the process doesn't fail midway. Confirm your Videocon TV firmware is current and make sure both TV and device share the same Wi-Fi network, either 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Once done, enable screen mirroring or mirrorcast on the TV. On your phone or tablet, open the casting or screen mirror menu. You'll see the TV listed when discovery works. This step starts the handshake between devices and prepares both ends to exchange video and audio streams. Next, select your Videocon TV's name from the device's casting list and accept any pairing prompts. You're telling both devices to trust one another. Once connected, adjust resolution. Pick 720p for smoother motion or 1080p for clarity. This balances bandwidth and latency. Then, make sure the TV's audio output is set to TV speakers or optical, and temporarily turn off Bluetooth audio devices so sound routes correctly. These settings reduce dropped frames and audio echo during playback. To finish, confirm smooth playback by stopping unnecessary apps on the source device. They consume CPU and network bandwidth, which causes stutter. If you spot lag or stuttering, lower the stream resolution, move devices closer to the router, or connect the TV via Ethernet for a stable link. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot the TV, your phone or laptop, and the router, then re-enable mirrorcast or screen mirroring. One useful tip: temporarily disable VPNs because they block local discovery and prevent pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.